In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block Team Snapchat on Snapchat app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go into chats, and that's where you can easily find the Team Snapchat conversation. That's actually as a regular conversation, and you can block this conversation as regular. So all you have to do is just hold down on that conversation, tap at Manage Friendship, and now you are able to select block or remove friend. If you want to block them, just hit at block and then hit at block again to stop getting messages and notifications from Snapchat team. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.